just hooked on. Feels like a decent fish. I think this might be a little bream. Could be either bream or flatty. But it feels like a decent fish. Got a bit of go in him. Just off the drop off here. It's actually got a little bit of weight to him. Just casting behind that structure there. Just on the little 2 point something inch prawn. Yeah, it's a nice little bream. Really nice looking little bream. Still got a bit of fight in him. Bring him in. Really nice looking bream. You can just see him there. Oh, he's nearly got me caught. Alright, we'll try and bring him in now. No, he's not stopping. Don't tell me he's gut hooked. Oh, it's a really nice looking bream actually. Beautiful silver colours on him. Solid bream. Really nice little bream here. Hooks. Really nice looking bream here. Just on the light gear. 8 pound leader. And just on that little Daiwa prawn in the gold speck colour. Hooks perfectly in the side on the brand new hidden weight Daiwa jig heads. But yeah, really nice bream here. Super happy with that. First fish of the day. Just flicking off here in the little shallows in the drop off. Yeah, just caught them on a little bit of structure. Exactly what we want. Perfect hook up. And we can just get the hook out as easy as that. Just really nice. That's what we got them on. There you go, straight off. First fish of the day. Really happy with that. Let's get another. So this is little jig heads we've been using. These little hidden weight jig heads. I forgot what size it is. It's something 30th. But you can see the sizes from the 3 dots there. So this one's 30th because it's got 3 dots. And yeah, these are really cool. And what I like about them, they also have 60 degree angle, and that bit, because it's on an angle, it doesn't let the lure flip upside down, which what happens with a lot of the other hidden weight jig head. Oh yeah. GoPro. Oh, it's a flatty. Oh, I dropped him. Oh, that sucks. That was a good looking flatty. Oh well, hopefully we get another one. GoPro, stop recording. Got a bit of weight to it. Just hooked up, literally as like on the drop of the first like cast with this lure, and we've hooked on to a nice little flatty. Got a little bit of weight to him too. Hasn't pulled any drag. Got my drag pretty tight, but he's definitely got a bit of weight to him. It actually feels like a solid flatty. Hopefully he hasn't gut swallowed it. Oh my days, it's a massive bream. Holy crap. It's a massive brim on the flick. That's crazy. Brim on the flick. Was not expecting that. I was expecting really nice brim on the flick. Really nice little brim on the flick. The flick just pinned right in the corner of the mouth. Exactly what we want to see. I was not expecting a decent brim. I was expecting a big flatty, but that's sick. Hey, hook out of him. There you go. Hooks out of him. Yes. This is pretty good for this new setup. I've caught brim, couple tailor, and that's first brim on this rod, and it's actually pretty decent brim too, so heaps happy with that. Just hooked on, literally flatty smash this little plastic right out the drop off. Get him in. He's like a 40 model. He's very green, just took him straight in. We won't have this guy out for too long. We'll bring him nicely in top lip. There we go. Well, beautiful little flatty. Get the hook out. Ow. On the little flick, Daiwa flick. Beautiful flatty. Get a release on him. Nothing special, just a flatty. We'll just get a quick release and there he goes, straight off. It's really... I've just hooked on to a flatty and it's not fighting at all. It hasn't woken up yet. I think this is a good flatty. Hooked him right there. Took it very casually. And he feels very heavy. Oh, what the hell? No, actually, what the hell is this? Guess what it is? What? No, it's even worse than that. It's a massive puffer fish.
Fuck, that's actually massive.
Oh no, he's puffing up. Okay, that is crazy. Just caught a massive puffer fish.
Certain sharks, like
trying to push him back in. Oh, he's actually, look at him. He's inflated so much. I'm trying to like get him, flip him so he swims off, but no. Hooked on again. This one feels like, don't know what this one is yet. Maybe a little flatty. Don't tell me it's another puffer fish. Nah, big head shakes, I reckon. Yeah, they're flatty head shakes. Got a bit of weight to him, this one. It's a nice little flatty. Get him up here. Another good at eating, very good at eating size flatty. Oh, he dropped it. Well, he dropped the hook, so now he's just gonna swim off. Very nicely, there he goes. He's kicking off into that weed. Now he's just gonna sit right there. That's sick. Oh, there.